What's good, y'all? Y'all already know it is Jumani Gaming Site, and today I'm about to do a reaction to Chris and Queen.
And
I have a guest with me today,
I'm his sister. My name is Jamelia Walker, and I have a YouTube channel named Jamelia Walker Vlog. How you spell that? It's Jamelia Walker Walker Vlogs Vlogs. Thank you.
okay, I'm gonna get this reaction started. I like they intro.
What's up,
Y'all been waiting for this for the longest. I'm about to bring Queen with the baby power. One of my subscribers told me to do this on Snapchat. So I'm setting up this shit. Hold on.
All them tattoos.
Really? You asked me a lot of questions in the reaction.
I'm about to do baby powder prank.
I was about to do that. Y'all stay tuned if y'all want to see me do that.
Prank me? No.
I know for a fact she's about to come back in here because I act like I was in this bad.
And she gotta go somewhere?
I just needed her.
Boy, you gonna get it. And actually, guys, I picked this video for him because I thought it was a cool video to like just watch something really funny. So yeah.
First time seeing a hair dryer like that.
A hair blower. I never.
Cause I got the one that costs like $30, and it's different than that.
And plus she gotta go somewhere really, if it's important, it's like, and plus she got out of the shower, so it's like, OMG, I gotta get back in the shower, really. But yeah. He's like, shh, shh. He's so freaking funny. Oh, they have two bathrooms. So I'm like, how? Well, I guess she come in that bathroom. She won't
He cut his hair down. In his recent videos, he cut it down.
It's like, it used to be like this though. Oh, OMG.
That's a lie.
It's coming down at the bottom, guys. You can see that. It's coming down at the bottom.
He poured a lie.
Tell us if you guys want us to be more quiet when we do reactions, because we talk a lot. Sorry. He ain't got the tab. Team Chris. Team Queen.
Team Chris.
She's pranking my girl. She messing her hair up. She got long pretty hair too.
She scheduled her appointment for her light bulb, man. She's gonna get her blow.
She going to the doctor and he's going powder in her hair.
Hashtag Team Chris in the comments, bro. Cause everybody knows, everybody talking about some Team Queen is liars. Because y'all know for a fact Chris is the master of pranks.
Nah, Queen
You know I got the best prank, so stop lying to yourself.
Chris do got the best prank.
Nah, Queen
was, remember the prank where she did the fake blood? That was a fail.
So it was one.
That prank was horrible.
That was the one prank, like.
And then he got her with the cheating prank. That was a good prank he did. So most of his pranks better than hers. Most of her pranks fails.
Stay tuned if you want to see us react to more Chris and Queen.
Other than that, she got me all types of stuff. Guess what? Let's get to business. I'll see y'all in a minute. I'm about to hide this camera.
Well, they got the two sinks. That's good, because they got their own sink. Chris got on
He got some drawers on.
Queen, he finna prank you. Queen, do you know he finna prank you? I know he did not just do a video with his little tiny whitey tongue. Okay, girl. He finna. That blow dry finna pop out. You gotta brush off her hair, right? Make it straight. That's nice. It's not really done.
You ready, baby? You almost ready? I'm not gonna take long. Don't worry.
He not even ready. He just said he ready, I think.
I'm not gonna take
He
long.
only had on his underwear. You play too much. Comb that beard out. Comb it out.
Y'all see my beard coming in?
No, where? Leave in the comment section. Do you see something?
I see a booty chin.
That's Rose, baby. She can do her
I
hair
can't wait till I fully get my color in, man. I can't wait till it's like all red.
cute.
Oh, you look bad. Exclusive.
Y'all, she could sing.
She said,
Oh, my bad, y'all. I paused the prank.
ah,
My bad. I'm finna start it back.
She turned on that. At that moment, Queen knew that. OMG, Chris! I knew she was gonna scream his name. Chris. OMG. And she gotta go to the. She gotta go get blood work. Some on the camera.
He keep getting her.
She gotta go get blood work from this boy. Prank her. And he got some headphones with it. Really?
Nigga, you got this all in my hair. What do you mean?
Now she gotta get back in the shower. I knew she had to do that. But somehow it's gonna be messed up.
Boy, that boy is laughing dead in her face.
She gonna try to get him back on powder.
Oh my
Girl, I would've got a whole bottle of powder and threw it in his hair.
Oh my god.
Queen, that's right. Go get a whole other bottle of powder.
That boy went and had it in the closet.
That's right, Queen. Get him. Get him, Queen. Right.
Don't get so mad.
Okay, I gotta finish up the reaction, guys. Because they gonna Oh, she said her hair is freaking gray. Yes, girl, get him. Get him. Yes, girl, yes. Get the baby powder. Run. Get the baby powder. He ran all the way downstairs.
Why she mad though?
And she gotta go get blood works, guys. So it's like,
Why she so mad though?
remember, leave in the comment section. Do you guys want to hear? Let us do more reactions to Chris and Queen. Let us know, DMB Nation. She's just so cool. H family, please let us know in the comment section. What do you guys want us to do for reactions? Pause it. Listen to the video. Okay, guys.
Okay, that's the end of the reaction, y'all.
We'll see you guys later.
We'll see y'all later.